Hello children, welcome again to another class of English language for class 3. Today we are going to continue with chapter number 19 and we will be learning how to write sentences from direct to indirect speech. Now children, in the previous class we learned the different changes that were there from making sentences into indirect speech. Now when we look at the sentence over here, we have Maya said, comma, open inverted commas, the boys are playing, full stop, and closed inverted comma. We know that this sentence is a direct sentence because the person is saying this exactly. But how do we convert this into an indirect speech or a sentence? By making an indirect speech sentence, we know that we have to remove the inverted commas and replace them using that, said, that. We know that we do not need to write the first letter in the capital form, but we replace it by the small letter. Then when we write the helping verb, we change the helping verb into the past tense, since indirect sentences are past tense sentences. Now let us have a look at the first sentence as I have read it to you. Now first of all, who is saying the sentence? We know the narrator or the speaker. The speaker is Maya. So what's an indirect sentence? The indirect sentence are the words that are transformed, that are changed, and they are said by the speaker. So Maya said. Now instead of the inverted commas, what do we write? We use that. So Maya said that. Now who is she talking about? She is talking about the boys. So we will write the boys. Now what's the change? The helping verb. We do not change the verb which is in the continuous form, but we change the helping verb. So R will become were playing. So what's the answer that we got? We got Maya said that the boys were playing. So this is an example of an indirect sentence. Let us have a look at the next sentence. Kumar said, comma, open inverted commas, the men are working, closed inverted comma, and full stop. So who is saying the sentence? Who is the narrator? Kumar is the narrator. And we will write said. Now after removing the inverted comma, we add that. Now who are we talking about? Who is Kumar talking about? Kumar is talking about the men. Now we will replace R by using were and then the rest of the sentence. So what's the answer we got? Kumar said that the men were working. Now let us have a look at the last sentence that I have. Mr. Das said, comma, open inverted comma, the cows are grazing in the field, full stop, and closed inverted comma. So who is the narrator? Who is the speaker? Mr. Das. So we will write Mr. Das said. After removing the comma in the inverted comma, we use that. Now who is he talking about? He is talking about the cows. So next R will be replaced by the helping verb were, and then we will write the rest of the sentence. Were grazing in the field. So I hope children now you have understood how to write sentences in the indirect form using were. Thank you.